beautiful Italian kitchen in New Zealand. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tortellini with the pasta sheets. Tortellini are a fresh pasta, dumplings filled with 3 different types of meat and some prosciutto crudo and cotto. Normally we eat the tortellini in a meat broth. I made a really nice chicken broth. I will start off by making the meat filling. Heat the pan on medium-high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Add your chicken, pork and beef, saute for a few minutes until cooked through. Now that our meats are all nicely cooked, we're going to assemble all the ingredients together and blend them. Okay, now our filling is all done. Let's make the tortellini. Now we're going to cut our fresh pasta into little rounds, like this little one, and we're going to fill it. Then use a bit of water and put it around here so it seals well. And then press really well and close your tortellino. Okay, we're almost there with our tortellini. Now our tortellini are all ready. All you need to do is to cook them in a chicken broth for about 3 minutes. Okay, let's cook now the tortellini in our boiling chicken broth. Smells so good. Buonissimo. Perfect, all ready. Let me try. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of parmesan. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.